Hi guys, welcome back to the video. So if you have seen my previous video, I was going to explain you how I have converted this multimeter into a to calculate the amperes as well, because when prior I purchased it, it was not doing so. So we are going to open this and I'm going to explain how we have done this all respectively. So let's get to it. Let's open it. So let me turn it off first. After that, you have to just let me unplug it as well. So I'm just going to show you the internal parts. So I have just fitted a fuse, nothing great. So let me open it first.
5 minutes later.
So we have removed this. So just let me get this, okay? So we have removed these two screws. So now let's open it. Here we go. So this is the complete setup. This is what it's look like inside. So this is the complete setup, and this is what is the inside look of the multimeter you can see. So I have fitted a fuse, you can see here. It's a small fuse. We have fixed it there. I have soldered it. Of course, you can see as there. I have soldered it at home. So this is the fuse that you have to solder. Many times when you buy this multimeter, this fuse was not attached when I just purchased it. So I have just added it. Personally, I brought this and I attached it. So they do not provide you with this. So this is just a small fix. After you fix the fuse here, you will be able to calculate your amps very good. There will be no issue. And the details of this fuse I will be giving in description, or it will be popping on the display. As I can see from here, it is 250 volts and 500 milliamps. So this is the exact fuse that we have to fix here. The link for this fuse based on India, so that will be all in description. The rest you can find. I have given you the details. So this was inside, and this is how I just fixed it. So if you want, you can also fix just a tiny small fix that you have to add a fuse inside. Just a missing part was that. So you just have to fix that, and after that it will be perfectly fine and working. So thank you for watching, and just leave a like if this was a informative video and you did not know that your ammeter can also detect the amps, or your multimeter is also not able to detect, and you can solve this problem very easily. So if you like this video, just subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, and thank you for watching.